CueCam files are generated by the app, but what are they? What if I can make them without CueCam? I took a look at what that would entail, but this is something you don't want to hand code. You can do this by just using an agentic LLM, Gemini, Perplexity, whatever. So I'm going to my inbox and I'm looking at presentations, and you can see I've generated a bunch of CueCam documents. When I open it up, you can see it's just broken into a bunch of Markdown files as text, but that won't open up in CueCam as a presentation, because as I look into tools, here's my CueCam Python, and there's quite a bit of information that needs to be processed in order for the system to make sense out of what I've just sent as a Markdown file. So I asked my system on my Macintosh to describe what it takes to build a CueCam bundle and describe it in English and display it for me. So here's the text of what was extracted from my Python code and all the information that my agent knows about how to format documents correctly for CueCam. And I just added like a headline and a picture, and it just gave me a script that I could run in my terminal to create the bundle on my Macintosh. And from that script, that document that I put into my terminal, hit return, it generated this little presentation. So now anyone could build CueCam files without CueCam. It's better to do it with CueCam, but CueCam's lightweight. It's just 50 megabytes. It can be downloaded freely. I find it's useful to understand what's underneath the file and understanding the elements that make up these very lightweight shareable objects.